President Donald Trump announced Friday that Boeing will build the Air Force's future fighter jet, which the Pentagon says will have stealth and penetration capabilities that far exceed those of its current fleet and is essential in a potential conflict with China. Known as Next Generation Air Dominance or NGAD, the manned jet will serve as quarterback to a fleet of future drone aircraft designed to be able to penetrate the air defenses of China and any other potential foes. The initial contract to proceed with production on a version for the Air Force is worth an estimated $20 billion. The 47th president, who announced the award at the White House with Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth and Air Force leadership, said with a grin that the new fighter would be named the F-47. Critics have questioned the cost and the necessity of the program, as the Pentagon is still struggling to fully produce its current most advanced jet, the F-35, which is expected to cost taxpayers more than $1.7 trillion over its lifespan. In addition, the Pentagon's future stealth bomber, the B-21 Raider, will have many of the same cutting-edge technologies and advanced materials, AI, propulsion, and stealth. More than 1,100 F-35 seconds have already been built for the U.S. and multiple international partners. A fleet of about 100 future B-21 stealth bombers at an estimated total cost of at least $130 billion is also planned. The first B-21 aircraft are now in test flights. With evolving drone and space warfare likely to be the center of any fight with China, Dan Grazier, a military procurement analyst, questions whether another exquisite manned fighter jet really is the right platform going forward. Grazier, director of the National Security Reform Program at the Stimson Center, said $20 billion is just seed money. The total costs coming down the road will be hundreds of billions of dollars. Few details of what the new NGAD fighter would look like have been public, although Trump said early versions have been conducting test flights for the last 5 years. Renderings by both Lockheed Martin and Boeing have highlighted a flat, tail-less aircraft with a sharp nose. The Air Force has not specified how many aircraft will be produced. In a statement, however, Alvin said there would be more F-47 seconds produced than F-22 seconds, the advanced fighter jet it's replacing. There are now about 180 F-22 fighter jets in service. The Air Force later issued a statement saying the number 47 was chosen for a number of reasons. It honors the legacy of the P-47, whose contributions to air superiority during World War I remain historic. Additionally, the number pays tribute to the founding year of the Air Force, while also recognizing the 47th president's pivotal support for the development of the world's first sixth-generation fighter. A separate Navy contract for its version of the NGAD fighter is still under competition between Northrop Grumman and Boeing. NGAD will bring an entirely different level of low observability, the official said. It will also have a much longer range than the F-35 or other current fighter jets, so it will require less refueling. A future unmanned version of NGAD also is planned as the Pentagon improves the AI for the aircraft, the official said.